Ever pondered the secret to preparing a healthy meal for an entire week? And the solution lies in simplicity, planning, and a dash of creativity. A week's worth of nutritious, delicious meals is not only achievable, but also a real time saver. Today, we're going to delve into the step-by-step process to make this happen. Step 1, plan it out. Here's the first step towards a week's worth of healthy meals. Begins with a solid plan. Identify the meals you want to prepare. Consider creating a balance of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats, and don't forget to incorporate an array of colorful fruits and vegetables. Variety is, after all, the spice of life. Step 2, make a shopping list. After finalizing your meal plan, it's time to create a shopping list. Jot down every ingredient you'll need for your week's worth of meals. This will keep you organized and prevent you from buying unnecessary items. Step 3, shop smart. Hit your local grocery store or farmer's market. When shopping, stick to your list and opt for fresh, whole foods whenever possible. Remember, the freshest ingredients often boast the most flavor. Step 4, prep your ingredients. Once you've got your groceries, it's time to start prepping. Wash, chop, and store your ingredients. This might seem tedious, but it's a true time saver during the week. Plus, it helps keep your meals fresh and vibrant. Step 5, cook in batches. Now, it's time to turn those ingredients into meals. Cook your meals in batches. This means preparing large quantities of a dish at once, then dividing it into individual portions for the week. Step 6, store properly. Transfer your cooked meals into meal prep containers. Make sure they're airtight to keep your meals fresh. Then, store them in the refrigerator or freezer, depending on when you plan to eat them. Step 7, enjoy your meals. The final step is the best part, eating your delicious, home-cooked meals. Just heat and eat whenever you're ready. To summarize, preparing a healthy meal for an entire week involves planning your meals, making a shopping list, shopping smart, prepping your ingredients, cooking in batches, storing properly, and finally, enjoying your meals. By following these steps, you can enjoy a week's worth of healthy meals without the daily stress of cooking. It's a process that not only nurtures the body, but also saves precious time and energy. So, give it a try and relish the joys of healthy, hassle-free eating.